Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of innovative products. In today's episode, we're diving into the Samsers Foldable keyboard and mouse combo. A must-have for anyone looking to boost their productivity on the go. Let's start with an overview of this incredible combo. It includes a full-sized foldable keyboard and a sleek wireless mouse. The keyboard is designed to be compact yet functional, while the mouse offers precise control. Both are foldable, making them highly portable and perfect for travelers and professionals on the move. Now, let's talk about the standout features of the Samsers combo. Despite its foldable design, it maintains a full-sized layout with 0.63-inch standard keys. You can connect up to 3 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth 5.0 and a 2.4G USB receiver. The keyboard includes a numeric keypad, perfect for quick calculations. With a 2 to 3 hour charge, the built-in battery can last up to 90 to 120 days in standby mode. Silent scissor switch keys ensure quiet typing, and the non-slip PU leather bottom adds stability. The mouse offers adjustable DPI settings for precise cursor control. Let's discuss the portability and convenience of this combo. The entire set, including the keyboard, mouse, and even a phone holder, fits neatly into a stylish and sturdy case. It weighs only 21 ounces, making it a travel-friendly solution. Whether you're on a business trip or a vacation, this combo ensures maximum convenience with minimum size and weight. The Samsers combo is compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, personal computers, tablets, and smartphones. It works seamlessly with Windows, Mac OS, iOS, and Android, providing versatility for users across different platforms. Samsers stands by its product with a 12-month hardware warranty, 24-hour email response, and lifetime technical support. Customer reviews have been overwhelmingly positive, with users praising its functionality and design. To wrap it up, the Samsers Foldable keyboard and mouse combo is a game-changer for productivity on the go. Its full-size keyboard, multiple device connectivity, and long battery life make it a top choice. The portability and convenience factor, along with compatibility across various devices, make it a must-have for professionals and travelers. If you're looking to enhance your typing and navigation experience while on the move, the Samsers combo is the perfect solution. That's all for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting product reviews. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next episode.